Imagine a world where paying bills and sending money is as easy as sending a message to a friend. A world where financial transactions are seamless, secure, and accessible to everyone. That world is here, and it's powered by FavePay. Have you ever wondered how technology has transformed the way we live? From shopping to socializing, everything seems to be just a few clicks away. But what about our finances? How can we make our money management as simple and efficient as our other digital interactions? In today's fast-paced world, time is precious. We're constantly juggling multiple responsibilities, and the last thing we need is a complicated financial system that adds to our stress. That's where FavePay comes in. FavePay is a revolutionary financial technology platform that's redefining the way we handle our money. Who is FavePay? FavePay is more than just a payment app. It's a financial ecosystem designed to simplify and enhance your financial life. With FavePay, you can send and receive money instantly, whether you're paying a friend back for a loan or splitting a restaurant bill. FavePay makes it quick and easy. Pay bills effortlessly, no more standing in long queues or worrying about missed payments. FavePay allows you to pay your bills with just a few taps on your phone. Recharge your airtime and data, stay connected without the hassle. FavePay lets you top up your airtime and data plans in seconds. Buy goods and services online, shop safely and securely with FavePay's integrated payment gateway. Access loans and savings. FavePay offers a range of financial products to help you achieve your goals, from personal loans to savings accounts. Why choose FavePay? FavePay is committed to providing a safe, secure, and reliable financial experience. Here's why you should choose FavePay. Security. Your financial information is protected by advanced security measures, ensuring that your transactions are always safe. Convenience. FavePay is available 24/7, so you can access your finances whenever you need to. Affordability. FavePay offers competitive rates and fees, making it a cost-effective choice for your financial needs. Customer support. FavePay's dedicated customer support team is always ready to assist you with any questions or issues. FavePay's impact. FavePay is not just about making financial transactions easier, it's about empowering individuals and communities. By providing access to financial services, FavePay is helping people improve their lives and achieve their goals. In a world that's constantly evolving, FavePay is leading the way in financial technology. With its innovative features, commitment to security, and focus on customer satisfaction, FavePay is the perfect partner for your financial journey. Ready to experience the future of finance? Download the FavePay app today and start enjoying the benefits of a smarter, simpler, and more secure financial life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.